Today, we're diving into how to install the powerful Kodi Media Player onto your Apple TV, opening up a world of customization and endless content possibilities. This process involves sideloading the application using your computer. So let's get started. First, you'll need a computer. Head over to the Apple developer website and sign in with your Apple ID or register for a free developer account. If you don't have one, this is crucial for signing the application. Next, on your computer, visit the official Kodi website and navigate to their Downloads section. You'll need to find the specific build for tvOS, which is the operating system for your Apple TV. Once you've downloaded the Kodi tvOS application file, open Xcode on your Mac. You'll create a new project within Xcode, selecting a simple template like the app template. In the project settings, you'll enter your developer team information and input a unique bundle identifier, which is like a digital fingerprint for the app. With your Apple TV connected to your Mac and powered on, you can now instruct Xcode to run the Kodi project. This will build and sign the Kodi application, and then install it directly onto your Apple TV. After a short installation process, you'll see the familiar Kodi icon appear on your Apple TV's home screen, ready to be launched. Keep in mind, this method requires periodic maintenance to keep Kodi updated and running smoothly. Enjoy exploring the endless streaming possibilities.